Sa akin.
Guard rune sa lang.
Guard rune. Spam guard rune ng gate.
Put up na sila. Yeah, ito yung pa. Ay, nag-inti.
Careful. Defense.
Young
Demon.
team yung ano. Young team yung pangalan ng caller.
Kill that guy. Longbow. No longbow pa pala.
Kaya isa yung first na lang, patay na siya.
Okay lang. Ilang cooldown ng demon. Ay, ng ano. Oo. Careful, iwan.
Glacial.
Dep. Keep bonking. Bonk. Bonk.
Western, southwest.
Get ready northwest ha. Get ready northwest.
Pero pasok sila ng second gate. Second
Wait.
gate.
Pull the
Clear
guard.
nyo muna yung mag. Clear nyo muna yung mag.
Pull the guard southeast. Wag guys, the choke! Come southeast.
Sige, pwede kayo ano. Pwede kayo dyan sa chok. Babantayan ko to. Sige.
Okay. Kill the guard.
Western scouting ah.
Western,
I'm
southwest.
in.
Pwede.
Madami ba yun?
Basta ulit, lumalabas.
Tatlo pa lang nakita kong western.
Sige lang. Need to cap this fast ha.
Saka spirit ang
Lagi marami dito sa kabila boy.
Western.
Mga 10. Dito.
Anong sampo?
Lumalabas.
Nagbabasag na
Lumalabas?
sila. Hindi,
Ah,
Western
nagbabasag
Paradise,
yung
Southwest, binabasag
Okay.
yung gate.
We sandwich these Gucci people. Be careful ha. If the skull goes in mid, they're gonna engage. Bong.
Tol, galingan nyo
Over the wall.
Sige.
Be careful.
Ay, dali.
That's fake. Bong. Keep bonking. Defense.
Yung glacial nasa north ha.
Okay. Bong. Keep bonking.
Glacial engaging.
Sige, kulit. Lane nyo. Stun ko na.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glacial. Kill it fast.
Nice.
One.
Sarap.
10 seconds
Sarap,
pa sa
boss.
demon.
Dep.
Paila ko.
Stabilize first. Stabilize.
Chill lang.
Engage.
Bong. I need eyes behind.
Paila ko. Front. Hello?
Hill front.
Meron pang 8.2 na Miss Purser ah.
Oh man, They mounting?
Oh, mounted up.
Ilang. Come
Eh
west.
dito sa ano.
Harangan nyo.
Godmul yung ano. Yung
Sige, harangan nyo dyan sa kabila.
Gucci.
Iba.
May hammer
Godmul
kayo.
yung Gucci ah. 8-3 set. Godmul. Dito na yung western ah. Paharap na.
Okay.
Sige.
Godmul.
Hayaan nyo.
Godmul.
Is. Corner nyo sa is.
Kamis.
Ito tong Godmul ah.
Hold here.
Hold me.
Help si ano, si Shane.
Dito lang tayo. Di sila makakalabas sa western. It's either they go at that side or our side. Patingin
Yung
nga
Godmul,
ako. Yung sa...
yung Godmul nagpalit ah. Yung Godmul nagpalit ng set. Pero siya yung ano, 8-3 set.
Anong pangalan?
Yung Godmul.
Pangalan?
Godmul. Bigyan mo sa akin party. Marco.
You're going
Ito,
out.
going out. Wait.
Going back.
Hold lang dito. Chill lang tayo.
Na-break na ng
Ito,
western.
nakamark ng sword. Yung Gucci.
Na-break na
Nakamark
ng
ng sword.
western yung ano, yung gate.
Go any daw. Go any daw.
Kami.
Storming in na yung ano, western. Storming in na.
Bong. We're just gonna hold We wait western engage and then we're gonna engage on those two guilds.
Kupal sir.
Kupal lang, sir.
Handle. Handle.
Ito yung sim ito.
Nag-push. Ayun, Godmul nandyan sa isa.
O yung Godmul ah.
Ayun, nakaalis yung ano.
Hinuuli nila. Southwest.
Come southwest. Southwest.
Nakalabas.
Bonk na lang.
Matap siguro yung mga ditang.
We cap castle.
Sige, cap ka.
Dito yung Godmul oh.
Kinukash na lang,
Ito.
nasa status yung god mo.
Cap castle.
Ito yung Godmul.
Ay, may naiwan dito.
What the fuck is
Healer to.
this?
Huliin nyo.
Taylor, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this. Kill him fast.
Turning western.
Sige lang. Come southwest.
Pabok na ng gate.
Spread here.
Pabong tanggit, bilis, pabilis,
Sa
pabilis.
southwest mo yung western. Southwest mo yung western.
Top out na, top out, bong, 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 guys.
Any.
Any, top out, bong, top out, bong, top out, bong.
Pabilis, pabilis.
Wait, jump, alis ka dyan. Okay, hindi jump ka dyan.
Tatanong sila, ilan daw.
Yun na, OC. Southwest.
Nasa kanila 8.3 ah.
Sige lang. Kill this guard.
Papatay na ng guard, papatay na ng guard.
Pull it north here. Pull it northeast.
Going out sila.
Sige lang.
Going out.
Na-mark mo na yung caller. Sino caller
Ito,
nila?
ito.
Si...
Ghost top.
Hodge.
Bago
Naka-duty.
yan.
Hodge caller.
May golem yan. Wala ba?
Ay, pahil kay jump ba? Ito na.
Pasok sila. Teaching up.
Stay in the...
Inching up,
stay in
sige,
the-
sige.
Stay in the Lord room. Use in W only. Use in W. Only. Use in W.
Melee club sila.
Sige lang.
Hindi to pang palag. Mounting up. Hindi pumalag.
Ayun.
Nag-walk. Sayang OT.
May trauma pa sila, men.
Ito, may na ano dito.
Hulihan nyo.
Huli mo, dyan ba? Dito.
One cup. Come
Ito,
SW.
dismounted ah. No,
Top out.
you know.
Saan, tol?
Mounted siguro. Ghost top.
Dismounting sila.
Cap the castle.
May
Oh,
nagkakap na.
copy na.
Okay. Hold here. Come to me, guys. On the ping.
Nag-engage
Pen.
Southwest. Come back inside. No. Come back inside. They're pulling us.
Come back na.
They're pulling us.
Hill jump ba?
Clap sila.
Chill lang, man. They're pulling us. Ano to, Hutch?
Hodge.
Na naka-Judy helm.
Okay. Southwest now. Southwest. Look at me, northwest. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill this. I'll go back northeast. No. Brawl, southwest. Brawl. Be careful of their engage, Be careful, They have engaged, Brawl their healers.
Looking sila.
Spread better. We're gonna look at west. After they engage, we're gonna look at west. It's 5, 4, 3,
Engage na.
1.
Engage na.
On me. Wipe this. Nice shit. Wipe nyo na lang. Wala na yan. Kill it.
Ito, Gucci.
Hindi naka-engage.
Nag-heal yung...
Patay na to. Cleric na.
Patay mo na yan, Legion. Isa, sa akin.
Good.
Loot.
Bilis ng kamay nyo ah. Ay, si Aye pala.
Ang looter
Ay,
ng all
sorry,
right.
boss. Sorry, boss.
Mount up.
Sorry, boss.
Top mga
Tatanong pa